Hello there, and welcome to another exciting exploration into the future of automotive technology. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Nissan Patrol, specifically its 2027 model. It's a vehicle that has been a staple in off-road adventures for decades, but with each new generation, it continues to push boundaries and redefine what a capable SUV can be. As we stand on the cusp of 2027, the Patrol is not just a vehicle, it's an evolution in engineering. The exterior design boasts a striking blend of ruggedness and sleek sophistication. From the moment you lay eyes on its muscular frame to its bold new LED headlights, it's clear that this model has been sculpted with both form and function in mind. Under the hood, the 2027 Nissan Patrol brings together advanced engine technology and robust performance. With enhanced fuel efficiency and a powerful V8 engine, this vehicle is ready for whatever terrain you throw at it. Whether it's a steep mountain pass or a rocky desert trail, its impressive off-road capabilities ensure that every adventure is both thrilling and safe. Inside the cabin, you'll find a world of technological innovation. The dashboard integrates seamlessly with state-of-the-art infotainment systems, allowing for easy navigation through your favorite music playlists or directions to remote destinations. The seats are not only comfortable, but also designed with climate control features to keep you at just the right temperature during long drives. One of the standout features of this model is its advanced safety technology. Nissan has equipped the Patrol 2027 with cutting-edge collision avoidance systems, lane departure warnings, and a suite of other intelligent safety features that make your journey safer than ever before. Whether you're driving through the city or navigating challenging off-road terrains, peace of mind is guaranteed. But what truly sets the 2027 Nissan Patrol apart is its commitment to sustainability. This model incorporates hybrid technology, reducing its carbon footprint and making it an eco-friendly choice without compromising on performance or luxury. It's a testament to Nissan's ongoing efforts in environmental responsibility while still delivering the power and reliability that have made Patrol a favorite among off-road enthusiasts. In summary, the 2027 Nissan Patrol is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of progress and innovation. With its impressive capabilities, advanced technology, and commitment to sustainability, this model stands as a leader in the world of SUVs. If you're looking for an adventure that pushes both limits and boundaries, then the 2027 Nissan Patrol is your perfect companion. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of automotive excellence. Stay tuned for more updates and insights from the world of Nissan. Until next time, keep exploring and pushing the limits with every drive.